All right, guys, here's a problem I made up. If you can solve this one, and understand the process, you have no issue on the test on Tuesday. So, in fact, let me go and add an X to the front right here. Okay. So, the first thing we're going to do is distribute. And so, we're going to use the 1/4, the negative 1/4, and multiply through the parentheses. So, we're going to multiply the first term, then the second term. Okay. So let's start. Let's go with I've written on my x. All right. A negative 1/4 times 8x. It's like divided by the denominator. So it's going to give me 8x. All right. Divided by 4. Um, Negative 1/4 times negative 12 is going to give you a positive 12 over 4. All right. That looks like a 9/4. And I bring down my plus 1. My sign. On the right side, I have 1/2 times negative 4x. Again, that can be written as negative 4x over 2 minus negative 2 over 2 plus 4. Okay? So remember, when you're multiplying by a fraction, as in the case with the 1/4, you're actually dividing by the denominator, which is the 4. All right. So let's go in and next step is combine our group like terms. So let's see what my like terms are on the left side. Um, in fact, before I do that, let's simplify. Okay? Let's simplify. So that gives me an x. Ax divided by 4 is going to give me, a divided by 4 is 2x. Okay? Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3 plus 1. Bring down my sign. On the right side, negative 4x divided by 2 will give me a negative 2x. Right? Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1 and the plus 4. Okay. Now let's combine like terms. So let's go ahead and identify my like terms. On the left side, I have a 1 and a 3, a different color, and a 2x and an x. Okay. Again, you cannot combine the x term and say the 3. You just can't do that. You can't combine apples and oranges. Okay. On the right side, I have a negative 1 and 4. So let's combine now. X minus 2x will give me, so like the right, will give me negative x. All right. 3 plus 1 will give me 4. So that's plus 4. I keep my sign. On my right side, I bring on my 2x. And a negative 1 plus 4 will give me a plus 3. Okay, hopefully I didn't make a mistake. If I do, please let me know on Monday. Let's see where we at. Now I've combined like terms. Now what I want to do now is keep the x's on on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to keep my x's on the left side. So I have to. I have a negative 2x on my right side. The inverse of that is I'm going to add a plus 2x. Again, what I do on the right side, I have to do on the left side. All right. You notice how I keep all my x's in one column. Right? It just makes it a lot easier to see what I'm doing. I draw my line. Right? Also on the quiz on Friday, I saw a lot of kids, they were doing multiple operations together. Here I'm getting rid of 2x. But sometimes they're trying to get rid of 2x and 3 at the same time, which you can do, but they kind of get confused and start making mistakes, right? So this goes away. Bring down my plus 3. On my left side, I have negative x plus 2x is just x, and I bring down my plus 4. Alright, my signs stay the same. Now I have an x plus 4 on the left side and a 3 on the right side. Now I want to get rid of the 4 on the left side. I do inverse operation. That means I have to minus 4 here, then also a minus 4 on the right side. Okay, and run a space. Let's see if I can speed this in. A plus 3 and a negative 4 is going to give me a negative 1. Okay, that goes away, and that leaves me with an x. All right, and my signs stay the same. Now, if I had, just suppose I had a negative x here. Okay, just suppose, but let me use a different color. If I had a negative x here, okay, uh, you can, negative x is just like a negative 1x. A lot of kids get confused with that. Therefore, to get rid of the negative 1x, I would divide by a negative 1. Okay? Not a negative 1x, just a negative 1. And then I'll divide on the other side by a negative 1. Alright? That would go away, alright, and leave me with just an x. Because I divide by negative 1 now, the sign would flip. Alright? And then I have 1 on the right side. Okay, again, that I was giving an example. If I had a negative x on the left side, that's how you would proceed to solve the equation. Right? So let me go back and erase this. I think I went for 5 minutes in this video. All right. So the answer for that equation, for this equation, is x is less than or equal to negative 1.